In this video, I'll show you how to replace fonts in PowerPoint using the new Slidewise PowerPoint add-in. Using Slidewise, we're able to see what fonts are being used in the presentation. If we drill down a bit, we'll be able to see each instance of a font. So in this case, the Algerian font is being used as a title on slide 4 and slide 6. Now I want to replace Algerian with another font. So I'm going to go to the Replace Fonts option in Slidewise and then replace it. In this case, I'm going to choose a font, probably Botanic Bold. I'll hit the Replace Fonts button and you'll notice that PowerPoint has to close and reopen. And once it's done, you can now see that the instances we saw before on slide 4 and slide 6 have both been changed to Botanic Bold. As well as replacing fonts with other specific fonts, you can also replace the font with a theme font. Now, if you don't know what your theme fonts are, you can check this by switching to the Design tab, looking in the Variants section, and then clicking the down arrow there and selecting the fonts. At the bottom of that list, there's a Customize Fonts button, which if you click it, you can see here where I've highlighted that they're Calibri in this case. So let's go ahead and replace Botanic Bold with a theme font. So if we hit the Replace Fonts option, we can now select the theme body font, which we know is Calibri, and hit the Replace Fonts button. Now PowerPoint will again close and reopen, and when it reopens you can see that there's no instances of the Britannia Bold. And we can check both of the instances before by switching to the Home tab. And then if I think it was on slide 4, the title, we select that, and you can see up the top here it's now been changed to Calibri Body, and the other instance on slide 6 has also been changed to Calibri Body. You can check out Slidewise now for free for 14 days. Please download it from the link in the description or from the URL you see on your screen.